Okay, here is the garage opener, yes, and here we have a symbol, and I don't know what this symbol is. Is it a fail, how do you say? Because I couldn't find it in the user guide instructions. I will see if anything changes here when we open the garage door. One moment, because I must move the... Oh shit. Maybe it's better without my faux pas. Oh, it's so high. Yes, okay, let's take this down. I put it in my... here. Fucking shit. Okay, let's open it and see if anything changes, okay? Aha, yes, okay. When it's up, it shows up there. Aha, yes. Hello, yes, okay. And now it's like that. But I don't understand. When you close it, it's the same. Okay, let's down. Aha, okay, now it's gone down, yes. Okay, so when it's closed, it's like that. But maybe it is, I don't know. But I'm hearing a strange sound, an electric sound like this. What is that? Okay, now maybe it's correct, like that the symbol is like that, I don't know. Yes, what do you think? Is it the correct symbol when the garage door is closed? I don't know. Yes. What the fuck? Like that. There's the car. Open the car, yes. Put my key in my pocket, and I have also the garage opener, yes, the remote control. A really nice key. Okay, and now I will put the car into the garage. Yes. Let's do that. Okay, so let's open the garage door. Like that. Like that. Yes, and now I'm in. Yes. Let's go out now and close it. Like that. Yes, it's a big garage. Big garage. And okay, let's close it now. Yes, like that, and I can go inside from here, like that, like that. Like that, and now the car is inside.
Oh, Mr. Christos! Some sausages. Mr. Christos!